All right, on this unit, Unit 10, part of the standards are that you're required to know what and how to use exponents, or what exponents are and how to use them, and how to find equivalent expressions. Okay, which expression is equivalent? So I give you an expression and you determine which one is equivalent to it. Okay, so on this problem, it's a little different in that there's no variables. They're asking you to find equivalencies using exponential forms and expressions, okay? So all we're going to do is we don't have anything to sub in. There's no variables. We're just going to solve our original and solve each of our answer choices and see which one equals the same thing. Okay, using GEMDAS, we know that multiplying comes before adding. So 3 times 25 will give us 75, okay? Drop the rest. And 32 plus 75, 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay? So this is equal to 107. All right, so we need to decide which one is equivalent to this. So I have 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, 3 2's. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, plus 3 cubed. Okay, that's 3 3's. 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. Times 3, 27. Okay, so we have 8 plus 27 times 5. Okay, 28 times 5. Off to the side, I'm going to solve. 28 times 5 leaves me with 40. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Okay, so this is 140 plus 8. This is 148. Okay, so not quite. All right. Oh, nope, this is 27. My bad. I wrote 28. This is 27. Well, still, 27 times 5 is 35 is 135. Okay, so this is 135. Apologies. All right, either way, not the same thing. Okay. 2 cubed, we just said was 8 because it's 2 times 2 times 2 plus 2 to the 4th. That means we're multiplying 4 2's. So if I already have 3 2's is 8 times a 4th 2, so 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, times 3. 16 times 3, 18, 3, 4. Okay. This is 48 plus 8 gives me 56. Okay, so not quite. This one's closest so far. That one's definitely not it. All right, lastly, we have 2 fifths. 2 to the 5th, not 2 fifths. 2 to the 5th. Okay, if 4 2's equaled 16, 5 2's is 16 times that 5th too. Okay, let me write it out in case I am confusing you. Okay, 4, 5. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. One more 2. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16. Times that last 2 is 32. Okay, so 2 to the 5th is 32. Oh, looks similar. We had a 32 up top. Okay, plus, ooh, I should have done this first, my bad. This exponent, 3 times 5 squared is 25 because it's 2 5's, 5 times 5. Okay, 5 times 5 is 25. All right, then we can go back and multiply. I shouldn't have done that first. Exponents are fine. Confusing myself. Okay, now we do our multiplication. 25 times 3 is 75. 32 plus 75 equals 107. 5 and 2 is 7. 7 and 3 is 10. Okay, and if you notice, these exponents in standard form were the same numbers as our top expression. Okay, so make sure you solve it to check. But that's also another helpful thing to look at. But this C is equivalent to 107. All right, your turn. You try. Okay. Your expression is 8 plus 4 times 27. Is that equivalent to 2 squared plus 3 squared plus times 5 squared? Make sure you notice all the first operations are adding and the second are multiplying. Or 2 cubed plus 2 squared times 3 cubed? Or is it 2 cubed plus 2 to the 4th times 3 cubed? Okay, you need to solve each one like I did and find the one that equals the same thing as this expression.